Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila. Hi, Shishi.
Hi, this is Shishi and Jinjin here doing a recipe today, and she has someone special here today because of Father's Day.
That's right. We're going to do a special Father's Day with my dad, Gary. He's coming to join us, and you know, for years we got to enjoy my dad's grilling. You know, dads and grilling go kind of hand in hand, and so he's going to make a special recipe that we did a lot out west, and just recently we've been able to get this wonderful meat out here in Tennessee, because usually you have to go to like a butcher to get it, but now you can get it at Publix and Kroger, and so he's going to make this special recipe of tri-tip for us today.
Now you can talk.
Now you can talk.
Can I talk now?
You can talk now.
Go ahead, say everything you want to say.
My dad, Gary.
This is a tri-tip,
Really?
and you can see how thick that is. It's a cross between a steak and a roast.
Okay.
Okay.
And like you said, they're hard to find, and like I say, Publix has them. What you want to do with this, you want that to be just room temperature. And then what you want to do is you want to get a rub that you like. Now, everybody has their own kind of rub. You can mix all different kinds of things depending on what it is you're doing. You know, whatever you're going to make, ribs or whatever. But I have a rub here that I'm going to put on here that is one of the ones I use, and I'm going to rub up both sides of this. Now, if there's any gristle or any fat on these, which some do, you want to make sure you get all that cut off.
Okay.
You don't want that on there when you're cooking it, because it just makes it tough. And besides that, they'll charge you more if they leave it on.
You don't want to pay any more for that meat than you have to.
That's really by weight, huh?
So anyway, yeah, by weight. And a piece like this is maybe about $20.
Yeah.
And thereabouts, depending where you buy it. Anyway, so what we're going to start with, we're going to mix all these items together. We're going to have salt. We're going to put in there. We're going to put in pepper.
Okay.
We're going to put in onion mix.
Onion mix? Onion powder?
Onion powder, I guess they call it. Lowry's.
Lowry's what?
It's
Seasoned
like a
salt.
Lowry
Seasoned
seasoned
salt?
salt, yeah.
Okay.
Then we're going to put in garlic salt.
Okay.
And this here is garlic powder, right?
Yeah.
And what we're going to do is we're going to mix that all together. And just, use your fingers. I mean, don't be afraid to make sure you wash your hands, of course.
You did wash your hands.
You don't know where your
wash your
hands
hands.
have been, you'll never know. So anyway, make sure they're clean.
Yeah, that's right. So
Anyway.
you did wash your hands dirty and get in there.
Yeah,
Huh?
and just kind of mix it all up really good. Now what you do, it sounds kind of weird, but you just take that and you just sprinkle it all on there.
Okay.
And you want to flip that over and do the same thing on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you cover it all really good, because that's what's going to give it the flavor.
So there you go.
There you go. So let's go cook it.
Okay.
All
We're
right.
going to go cook, and we'll be back.
Now that we're at the gas grill, what are we going to do now?
We're going to throw this tri-tip on here. I'm going to cook another one right alongside of it. And you want to make sure that the temperature is up about halfway. You don't want it super hot, but you don't want it too low. You don't want to cook it till it's all well done and tough. You want it to be rare. So we're going to just pretend you're cooking a steak, but you're going to cook it a little longer. Well, just throw it right on there like that. And I've got another one over here I'm going to take.
Okay.
Throw that on there just like that. And we'll let that sit. You want to let it cook for a while on one side, then turn it on the other side. And then watch the coloring. As it starts getting too dark, keep flipping it so it doesn't burn. A little bit of burn's not going to hurt, it's going to give it flavor. So don't worry about that. So we'll check back in just a little bit and see how it goes.
All right. We're going to check back.
All right. Okay, so we just flipped them over. You can see, don't worry about the little burnt stuff on, that doesn't hurt, that gives it flavor. So we're doing pretty good. You can always push down and see how rare they are. You can see in here, there's still lots of rareness in here, even though it looks like it's cooked. So you want to keep flipping them. You don't want, and when I say that, just keep doing it over and over and over until you feel that it's done. Some meat's thicker and some is a little bit thinner. So, you know, from 20 to maybe 30 minutes, maybe 35, depending on how thick the piece of meat is. But we'll come back. We'll just flip them over and let it burn and cook on the other side now a little bit. And we'll come and check it in a little bit.
Okay. So.
Okay, we've just taken it off the grill, and she's going to take some pictures of it right there. As you can see, it's a little rare in the middle, and as it goes out, it gets browner and browner to the crust outside. So that's a medium cut. Now, if you want it more done, then leave it on a little longer.
Okay.
I'm going to cut this and show you.
It looks tender.
As I cut it, you just cut it like that, depending on how thick you'd like it.
She likes the end pieces, Dad, so make sure you give her a nice
I'll
end
give
piece.
her an end piece.
Yeah, like.
It's kind of like when you do prime rib.
This here is well done on the end.
Yeah, that's me.
That's a Sheila piece right there.
So if you like well done, I'm going to give her a little piece right here. Let her taste it.
All right.
Here you go, she.
Okay.
All right, Sheila.
Let's taste this.
Let's
You
taste
go ahead
this.
and taste it.
Mmm. It's good, huh?
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Want to try some? Mmm.
There you go.
Really good.
That looks so
You're
good.
still eating some there.
I'm still
All
eating
right.
some a little bit.
Okay.
Isn't that good? Oh my God. Mmm. All right, Dad.
Anyway, that's a tri-tip. Hope you enjoyed watching on that.
This is
And,
really good. You need to try this at home.
And we'll try some other barbecue another day, something different. Steve Hall was one of my best friends. I'm gonna miss him a lot, and he drugged me into more projects than you could ever believe. But we won't go into that now. So,
in fact, we're going to show some video clips of Dad doing the Shotgun Red Variety Show with us. Dad helped design all the sets and did a lot with Steve. So.
and if you watch it, don't have any nightmares after you see it. Thank you very much for having me.
This whole band and everything is about family. Now, you've seen Jennifer and her mom Donna sing before on our show, and they do just wonderful. Should we do it? The dad is here too, and he sings with us on the road from time to time, and he doesn't know he's on the show today. Come on up here, Gary. Come on up here, Gary. Did you talk to the band? Okay, we talked to the band. Come over here. You know the trio of songs that you do on the road from time to time? The band has already charted it and everything, so you're on the show today. Ladies and gentlemen, Dad, Mom, and daughter. Give them all a big round of applause. Here you are, Gary.
Thank you. I had a girl, Donna was her name. Since she left me, I never. You don't remember me, but I remember you. Was not so long ago, you broke my heart in two. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart, caused by you. Oh, Donna.
Let's hear it for Gary and Mom Donna and Jennifer Bruce. We'll be right back to close our show right after this. Stick around.
Happy Father's Day.
Well, thank you very much.
Happy Father's
I'm a
Day,
dad.
Dad.
Yes, I'm a dad.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. We hope you enjoy this recipe.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, this is Sheila, and we're back today for another recipe, and right here with
You're with her.
We're with her.
her. Jen.
Me.
I'm
All
the
right.
referee.
That's the camera.
Yeah,
You don't have to look right at the camera, but you can just kind of look over that general area.
round thing on
Right?
it.
Yeah,
The round,
it's that
it's
thing
that
there.
round thing over there in that corner right there. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
You get that?
Yeah. I got
Okay.
Okay. Yes, it's good. Yes, and then yeah. I was say about Father's Day. Okay, go ahead.
All right.
It's a Father's Day thing we're doing today.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't forget to visit shotgunred.com.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.